Guys, this is my new cat, and he's like 2 months or 3 months old, and he's a boy. We don't know his name is yet. We haven't figured it out. My sister got it for me when I was at school, and this is how it looks like. It's a little kitty. He's so cute. And make sure to say hi. This is him. It's a cute little boy. And we also got a collar for him. We got like toys. A collar. We got some toys over there. It's like toys. It's a cute little thing. Oh look. He's grabbing you. He's like, what are you? Hey, don't. Hey, why are you biting me? Like he's licking me. Ow, now he's biting me. Hey, he doesn't like it. He'll poke his eye. This is him. Let's get you down, little fairy. And this is him in the back. I'm gonna do a little. So you guys comment down below on which kind of names you would like. You guys can figure out. Maybe I'll choose your comments, or maybe we will change do our own. You guys could do it, or we. But look at him, he's so cute. Ah! What are you doing? Sometimes he bites this too. He bites the bell. That's why it's like all like crinkle. That's weird. He's been biting it. So you like him? Ah! You like him? I can't. Comment down below which name you want him to be. Oh my God! You think?
It's a boy too.
I already told him.
Alright.
I gave you low.
Hit the like button, and we post the name, and we